Want to make managing your WIC benefits as easy as a few taps on your phone? You know that nervous checkout lane anxiety wondering if an item is actually approved or if you've got enough balance left? Yeah, we're going to completely remove that today. Stay with me because in this explainer, I'll show you exactly how to check your Wyoming WIC balance instantly, anytime, anywhere. Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. We'll start with a brief rundown of what Wyoming WIC is, and then we'll dive right into app-based balance checks. After that, we'll cover some alternate mobile verification methods for when you're offline, troubleshoot some common app issues, go over account safety best practices, and then finish up with a quick recap and some official resources. All right, Section 1. What is Wyoming WIC? Fueling Wyoming's families. Let's get right into it. So Wyoming WIC is honestly an incredibly comprehensive program. It's not just about groceries, it's a full-on support system. It helps pregnant women, new moms, infants, and kids up to age 5 get access to free, healthy foods. We're talking fresh produce, dairy, whole grains, the good stuff. But it goes way beyond the pantry, offering breastfeeding support, breast pumps, and personalized nutrition coaching. And here's a really fantastic tip. If you're already on SNAP, TANF, KidCare CHIP, or Wyoming Medicaid, you automatically meet the income eligibility for WIC. It's just an amazing program for fueling Wyoming's families. Moving right along to Section 2. App-based balance checks. Your benefits right in your pocket. Now here's the thing, Wyoming actually supports 2 completely different apps, and honestly, that can cause a little bit of confusion. So let's clear it up right now. On one side, you've got the WIC Shopper app, which is developed by JPMA. Think of this one as your trusty in-store grocery buddy. It links straight to your card without even needing a user profile, and it actually lets you scan barcodes while you're shopping. On the flip side, we have the EBT Edge app, managed by FIS. This one requires a highly secure master profile to set up, but its absolute superpower is that it unifies all of your state benefits. So if you receive SNAP, TANF, and WIC, EBT Edge lets you view every single one of those balances in one secure hub. Okay, let's start with the WIC Shopper app. Setting this up literally takes seconds. Step 1, just download WIC Shopper from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Step 2, open it up and pick Wyoming as your provider. Step 3, tap on Manage Cards and hit Add a Card. And Step 4, just type in the 16-digit number printed right on the front of your physical WyoWest card. And boom, that's it. No passwords to remember, no annoying security questions, just an instant direct link from your card right to your device. Once you're in and you tap My Benefits in WIC Shopper, you'll see your live balances all neatly organized by food category. I mean, it tells you exactly how many ounces of cereal or dozens of eggs you have left to use. You can also use the built-in barcode scanner right there in the grocery aisle to verify if an item is WIC approved before you even get in line. The app also features a super handy local store directory. But hey, quick pro tip, do not use the barcode scanner on fresh fruits and veggies. The scanner just can't process them accurately. But don't worry, most fresh produce is automatically approved at the cash register anyway. Now, what if you're someone juggling multiple benefit programs? Then you'll definitely want to set up the EBT Edge app instead. This one has a slightly more robust security setup, which is great. After you download EBT Edge, you're going to hit Register here. You'll create a user ID, a nice strong password, and pick 3 challenge questions. Once you're logged in, hit Add Account, punch in that same 16-digit EWIC card number, and then you'll need to verify your identity using the primary cardholder's date of birth and your mailing address zip code. Once that's done, you've got a highly secure unified view of your SNAP, TANF, and WIC funds all in one convenient place. All right, Section 3, alternate mobile verification methods. Because hey, no internet, no problem. So your first offline method is SMS text messaging. To get this going, you'll just need to do a super quick one-time configuration on the EBT Edge web portal. Simply log in at www.ebtedge.com, select your linked EWIC card, and head over to Account Services. Click on Messaging Registration, type in your mobile phone number and your carrier, and make sure to check the box authorizing SMS balance. You'll get a 6-digit confirmation code texted to your phone to finalize everything. And once that's set up, your current benefit balance is always just a quick, standard text message away, even if you have absolutely zero internet connection. And, perhaps the absolute easiest offline method, and this one requires literally zero setup whatsoever, is the interactive voice response line. You just dial 1-866-604-0382. And honestly, you don't even need to memorize that because the number is printed conveniently right on the back of your EWIC card. You just punch in your 16-digit card number when the system asks, answer a quick security question, and an automated voice will read your remaining monthly benefit balances right to you over the phone. It is simple, it's reliable, and it's always available. Section 4.
troubleshooting common app issues, getting you back on track when technology decides to be frustrating.
Okay, so if you ever hit a roadblock, this matrix is exactly who you need to contact. If you need a PIN reset or you need to activate your card, call that 1-866 automated line. If your physical card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you need to call the Wyoming WIC help desk directly at 1307-777-6236. Now, if the WIC Shopper app is glitching out on you, shoot an email over to JPMA. If EBT Edge is somehow locking you out, email FIS support. And finally, if a WIC-approved food is incorrectly rejecting at the cash register, reach out to the state vendor liaison. Keep this information handy so you can always route your specific issue to the exact right people instantly.
Section 5. Account Safety Best Practices. Protecting your benefits.
All right, here are some rapid-fire pro tips straight from the official sources to make sure it's smooth sailing at the store. First up, when you're at the checkout lane, always swipe your eWIC card before any other form of payment like cash or debit. That makes sure the system deducts the WIC items correctly first. Second, use your smartphone camera. Just snap a quick picture of your ending balance receipt before you leave the store. That way, you've always got a record of exactly what funds remain for your next trip. Third, yes, you absolutely can and totally should use store discount cards and manufacturer coupons with your WIC purchases. Fourth, remember that no substitutions or exchanges are allowed. All purchases are final unless an item is straight up damaged. And lastly, the very second you get a new card, set your PIN immediately and keep it safe from prying eyes. Section 6. Recap and official resources. Empowering your next trip. So the most crucial takeaway here is that you have options, and they are tailored completely to your lifestyle. Go with the WIC Shopper app if you want quick, direct access and that awesome in-store barcode scanning feature. Choose the EBT Edge app if you're looking for a highly secure dashboard that combines your SNAP, TANF, and WIC balances into one place. Rely on the SMS text feature or the 1-866 automated phone line for instant checks when you are out of data or don't have internet access. And always keep that WIC help desk number 1307-777-6236 handy, just in case your card ever goes missing. Before we officially sign off, I do need to share this mandatory disclaimer. The information provided in this explainer today is based on current knowledge and official resources. Program policies and available technology can, and sometimes do, change. So please always verify with official WIC resources, your local clinic, or by visiting health.wyo.gov/WIC for the absolute latest updates. So now I really want to hear from you. Which mobile method are you going to set up today to completely remove the stress from your next grocery run? Are you team WIC Shopper, EBT Edge, or sticking to good old-fashioned text messaging? Let me know down in the comments below. You know, when we take the guesswork out of our benefits, we free up our time and energy for what really matters, our families. If you found this explainer helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Until next time, happy stress-free shopping.